We're outside the SEMA Show. It's Ford out front. They always do an awesome job. They've got Vaughn Gittin Jr., Lauren Healy doing a lot of exhibition runs, drifting, Ultra 4 trucks. They got Bronco going on, which this year, tons of Broncos as everyone's starting to get them. All the manufacturers are starting to ramp it up. We're standing in front of the last 2 years. Ford went the Bronco R, Baja 1000 racing, and Brian, you know my love for off-road.
Bizarrely, he would not strike you as a man that has childlike enthusiasm for off-road racing, but that's exactly what he has. Odd? Kinda. But he does love it, and he loves this Bronco behind me. You know, Ford Performance has developed special packages where they built the Cobra Jet road racing style cars, the Cobra Jet drag cars, and this is kind of going to be their next foray. You're going to be able to buy, through Ford Performance, a Bronco R to go pro-level off-road racing.
Exactly. It's not exactly this setup. They unveiled on Monday. Steve Turner, editor of Fastest Street Car Magazine, was at the release of this. It's got a Coyote 5.0, 10R80 transmission. It was a 4-door truck. They turned it a 2-door, put a cage in it, and they're throwing them out on the desert, and they're going to make a limited run of 50, but OEM race vehicles is a big theme here. We saw Honda rolled out a spec road race car, obviously Ford, Dodge, and Chevrolet in their drag race programs, and now in off-road.
It's pretty great, and the Ford Bronco not only has taken the show by storm, I mean, it's been probably the hottest launch we've seen of a new truck or even a new vehicle in the last several years. Dealers can't get them, and the ones they can get are going for way up over sticker price. I had a chance to drive one, spent a few days in one just about a week ago, and I wanted to not buy into all the hype, and then I drove it, and I just didn't want to give it back. So the Bronco program is crushing it, and Ford continues to be enthusiast-minded with this availability of their spec off-road truck.